Okay, I'm going to animate a bird now. So get the scissors and remove the cat. Import a sprite in the animals folder. And I'm going to go down and grab the picture, the sprite number 1, parrot A. Right, so there's one parrot. I'm going to click the shrink tool and just shrink him a little bit. And then I'll just move him up to here. I'm then going to go to the sprite costumes and import that second sprite image, parrot B. And I've got 2 costumes for this sprite, so if you watch what happens when I flick between the 2 costumes, we're getting the effect of the bird flapping his wings. So we'll start off with A. I'm now going to click on the stage and we'll get a background for this bird to fly in. So import a picture and I'll just go to nature and we'll choose the beach. So he's going to be flying across the beach. So click on the sprite and we're going to go to the script now. Control, when the green flag is clicked, we want him to, well, I think we'll make him wait 1 second and then looks, he's then going to switch to costume. He's on A, so we need him to switch to costume B and then move a little bit. Once he's moved, we then need him to switch again, this time to switch to costume A and then move again. And we want him to loop that, so we'll get the forever and we'll now see if that works. Let's see what that looks so far. So starting with A, and he's not switching his costume. A, B, maybe he's just doing it too fast. So let's get another wait in between after the move and then do it. Let's try it now. Now we can see it. It was doing it too fast basically, so now he's moving. Okay, let's click stop. Let's alter that. So let's put him back here. Let's make him wait slightly less. We'll make it point 0.2. We'll make him wait on 0.5. Let's make him wait half a second instead of 1 whole second. Otherwise it looks a bit jilted. Make the flapping a little bit faster. And perhaps instead of moving 10 steps, we'll just move 5. Right, let's try it now. That's better. So the flapping, the costume changes is a little bit faster and he's moving a little bit more. Okay, we'll just alter it and we'll see if it makes any more difference. We'll make it weight even less. Perhaps we'll make it 0.3. So very short wait in between the costume changes. And we'll make him move slightly less as well. Let's try it now. There, that is flapping a lot more. Right, now what's going to happen when he gets to the edge, if I click stop, and click now, he's probably going to flip upside down. No, in fact he's going straight off. So what we definitely need is motion, if on edge, bounce, definitely there. Okay, so let's try it again, moving back a little bit. So he's going to bounce off the edge, but he's flipped upside down. So what we need to do now is go to here, only face left and right. So let's try it now. When he gets to the edge, he bounces, and he bounces the right way. Okay, the other thing we can do is if we want him to actually start flying down, is we can add in here a change a Y position. Because we want him to go down, it'll be the vertical axle, so it's the Y one. So we're going to change Y. And it's going to put that there, change his Y position by 10. So not only will he be moving 3 steps, but he'll be moving down as well. Try it now. Oh, it's going up. I needed to make it -10 because we want him to go down the axle. There we go, and he's flying down that way. Okay, of course when he gets to the top, if we wanted him to fly up, we could change it to plus. Let's see what happens when he bounces. And stop. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of an extra script for the parrot. Okay, so at the moment if I click the green flag, he's flying downwards, which is fine. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a rock at the bottom here. So I'm going to make a new sprite, which I'm going to paint. And I'm just going to very quickly paint some sort of rock at the bottom of the page. So click the brush, and we'll just get a big brush here, and probably not that big. Just paint a rock. A rock sitting on the bottom of the beach. Just colour that in. Perhaps it's got a little bit of green seaweed on it. We'll just put some seaweed over the rock. So there is a bit of green seaweed. Okay, and that's sitting on the bottom of the beach. And okay, so I'll just move the rock over here. Okay, so when the bird comes down, it lands on the rock. I want it to glide back up to its starting point. So click on the script. And down here we're going to add an if. So if, and what we want it to do is if it, go to sensing, if it touches the colour, I'm going to click that into there, and the colour has got to be this brown. So if it touches this brown colour, what we want it to then do is to glide up to here. Now if I get the coordinates there, I want it to glide to minus 221. So it's minus 221. This is the position that I want it to glide to, and 175 on the Y. Okay, now before it goes there, I think I'll have it point in direction first. So I'll have it turn around first so that it's facing left, so it'll be minus 90. It'll then glide up there. Now this has got to slot in to there. So we'll try it now. So when I click the green flag, it should start switching colours, moving down, gradually going down the y-axis. And when it gets to the edge, it will bounce. But if it touches this rock, it's going to turn around facing left and glide back up to its starting position. Right, let's try it. Down it comes, going down the y-axis, changing costumes, 2 costumes, making it have the appearance of flapping, so it's nearly at the rock. See if it move along. Second it touches that rock, it should glide back up, and it did. Right, and click stop. What you could add, of course, is a sound effect. I'll just have a quick look at the sound effects, see if there are any bird flapping sound effects. If not, it's easy enough to go and find one. No, there doesn't appear to be one, so I'd have to go on the internet to get one.